everyone! Magandang gabi! Tonight on Learn Tagalog, let's learn another 5 Tagalog homograph words, and our first word ay bagay. Bagay. Bagay means things sa Ingles, and another use of bagay ay for asking questions. If you mean to ask, does it look good on me? Or does this look good on me? Bagay ba sa akin to? Bagay ba sa akin to? Example, bagay ba sa akin to? Does this look good on me? Or bagay ba? Bagay ba sa akin to? You can just say bagay ba and then accompanied by showing the item, bagay ba? Or you can say, bagay ba sa akin to? Does this look good on me? Or, if you're comparing two things or two items, you can say, alin ang mas bagay? Alin ang mas bagay? Ito o ito? Also, if you mean to say, wow, that looks good on you. Wow, bagay sa'yo. Bagay sa'yo. Our next word is bago. Bago. Bago can either mean new or before. New or before. Example ng new, may bago akong bracelet, or I have a new bracelet. May bago akong bracelet. May bago akong ballpen. I have a new ballpen. May bago akong, and then whatever the item is, may bago akong kaibigan. Example ng bago as before, I pray before I go to sleep. I pray bago ako matulog. I brush my teeth bago ako mag-shower. Say that again. Bago. Our third word is bakas. Bakas means footprints or handprints. Bakas. Say that again. Bakas. The other pronunciation for the word is bakas. Bakas. Bakas and bakas. Bakas means footprints or handprints, but if you pronounce the word as bakas, it means a share or a contribution. Example, I am invited to a friend's birthday party, but I don't have time to buy her a gift. And some of my friends are talking about buying her a gift, and since I don't have time to buy her a gift, I decided to talk to one of them, and I said, I don't have time to buy her a gift. Wala akong oras para bumili ng regalo. So, I'm thinking, it's up to you whatever gift you want to give her. Can I just share, or can I just make my contribution? Just buy whatever gift you want to give her, and we could just share. Bakas na lang tayo. Bakas. Bakas na lang tayo. Bakas and bakas. Our fourth word is bomba. 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 It can either mean the explosive weapon bomb, or sa Tagalog ay bomba, and it can also mean the water pump bomba. Here's a photo ng bomba. That's our fourth word, bomba. And our last Tagalog homograph word for tonight is buhay. Buhay. Buhay means life, and if you pronounce the word buhay, buhay means alive. Buhay and buhay. Buhay, buhay. Example ng buhay or life, if you wanna make a wish for someone and you wanna say, I wish you a long life. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay mahabang buhay. Mahabang buhay. At example ng buhay or alive, ang suspect ay buhay pa. The suspect is still alive. Ang suspect ay buhay pa. Or, the victim is still alive. Ang biktima ay buhay pa. That's our 5 Tagalog homograph words for this week. And you can find those 5 Tagalog homograph words sa ibaba, sa info. Yan lang. Good night!